Hi everyone, so welcome back. So this is the cut I did, the last one. So I'm gonna show you how to style it. This is the most in-demand hairstyle at the moment, the blonde cut.
May hair problem po talaga ako. Like, kahit nagsashampoo ako, usually nagkakaroon ako ng dandruff.
Lines are straight, nice and smooth, connected, wala akong hole. The hair is so straight and limp, and I want to create some nice beach wave. I'm using a sizzled spray just to give a little texture on the hair. Don't put too much kasi baka minsan magbuhol-buhol. Also, I'm using a volumizer on her roots. So, yun lang lalagay nyo. Hindi man kailangan minsan lahat. What we're trying to achieve with this look, it's unfinished curls. So we'll teach you how to do it, and then what are the products that you need? Let's put ko ito sa mukha. I'm just gonna air dry it a little bit just to remove the wet area before I start using the flat iron. Also make sure you use a thermal protector to protect the hair from damaging from direct heat. The first is section the hair properly. Ikaw ba marunong ka mag-curl ang buhok mo? So make sure your hair is combed properly, walang tangles. What do you want to see? The flat iron or the curling iron? Which one? This one. What you need is tail comb, clip, flat iron, and the product that we applied earlier. Separating the back first para hindi kayo maguluhan. Para mas malinis na kukuha yung buhok nyo ng tama. Usually, pag nagkukulot ka gel sa sarili mo, do you start from sa ibaba o sa ibabaw?
Sa ilalim.
That's the right one. First is fill the flat iron if they're hot enough. Using a flat iron to create a wave is clip, twist, pull it down fast, and you get that. So you can get that natural wave, but the ends are still flat. I would do a thick sectioning kasi nga ayaw natin ng masyadong kulot. Again, comb the hair, get your flat iron, twist, pull it down. Voila. If you think you need to add more, you can always redo it again. But for me, I'm good with this. If you want the curls to go this direction, then you go inwards. It doesn't matter naman sa shape yung wave eh. What's important is you put the curls on the right directions. So I'm moving to the other side. Beach wave kasi it's wearable. Hindi siya mukhang curling, ayaw mo na talagang parang spiral. That is so salon. So ngayon, the trend is it looks very natural, very raw, effortless. If you don't have a good cut, you cannot get a good style. So, roll it, pull it down. Kaya mong gawin? Sige nga? Okay. We'll ask you to do it para makita nyo. Have you ever tried magkulot ng flat iron? Okay. Oh. Wow. See, iba rin yung technique niya. Nice and wave. Yeah. See. So it's easy. Now we're going at the back. Separate the crown, the top area. I'm taking that much section kasi ayoko nga ng kulot na kulot. Oh. See, so I'm just actually bending the ends. Then I move to my next section. So basically, parang tatlong section lang ginawa ko sa ibabaw. And if I want to add more waves on the crowns, then I'll do that individually. Next sections, I'm going to the opposite direction. So I'm moving on the other side. Sometimes it happens to a lot na hindi maganda yung baksak pag bagong shampoo. Kasi mas maganda yung madumi. Not madumi, okay guys, don't get me wrong. Huwag kayong maging madumi sa buhok nyo. Kasi may ibang texture sa sobrang straight, hindi kinakapitan ng curls or hindi tumatagal. So pag ganon, like what I did to her since we just shampoo her hair, that's why I used those styling products. Maganda siya kasi parang, alam mo yung ayos ka pero hindi ka nag-abala. Yes, I'm twisting the top area just to give less defined curls. I'll show you how to do that. I'll take a section, I twist it a little, and then get my flat iron, run it, pull it down. That's how it's gonna look like. So, naka-bend lang siya, hindi yung kulot. Twist, flip, curl, twist, flip, curl, pull it down. If I want to add more on wave on the crown, I'll just cut a small section. Then I go closer to the scalp. Please be careful when you do this. Twist, curl, pull it down. I'm just gonna shake. Be careful also when you're putting products. Sometimes too much products is not good. Like this is the sea salt spray and some volumizer. So I get that. The kabog. I can put a little spray on it. So I think I'm gonna add a little more here in front. So when styling it, finishing it, you'll see naman kung ano yung parang kulang pa siya. So balikan nyo lang. Hopefully it will last her the whole night. More texture, less curls. There you go. So this is the beach wave. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, okay? And share it to your friends. If you have friends who wants to learn and need my advice, I'm just here, okay? See you guys later. Bye!